Today I want to discuss something that is very, very close to my heart and I've seen a lot of people ignore it, and that is weight gain. And I have someone who wants to discuss that with us. So Akriti, tell me a little bit more about your weight gain journey.
Hi everyone. So if we will look at my weight gain journey for the past 3 years.
Okay.
So when I started college in 22, I was free.
Okay.
There was nothing.
Nothing to do.
Nothing to do. Okay, first year of college, and I gained a lot of weight. Alright. But then last year, when I went to second year,
Okay.
I lost all of it.
Okay.
Alright. Stress can be the reason.
Okay.
Or I joined clinics,
Uh-huh.
NGOs. I was volunteering at them.
Okay.
And my schedule was very hectic.
Okay.
And it requires lots of physical activity.
Correct.
So maybe that can also be the reason. And plus I have fast metabolism.
Uh-huh.
So that also is the reason.
So you're saying there could be multiple reasons why you gain the weight and then end up losing the weight, right? Alright. So Akriti, you've been trying to gain weight over the past 2 years, right? And you've kind of failed at it. So tell me, how does it affect your day-to-day life?
So my day-to-day life, if you look at it, my day starts super early.
What time does it start?
6 a.m.
6 a.m.
Okay.
Wow.
Because I have college till 4. And
Okay.
after that, I have clinic, which I volunteer.
Correct.
Alright. All the NGOs, which I volunteer.
Uh-huh.
So I'm a veterinary professional.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So my field requires lots of physical activity.
Correct.
Alright. A lot of physical work is required for the
Uh-huh.
clinical aspect.
Uh-huh.
Alright. And now that I'll be third year,
Correct.
the physical activity is going to increase.
Okay.
And because of that, I want to gain weight because most of the time I feel tired.
Okay.
Alright. And I feel like the things which I can put my 100% effort into, I'm not being able to do that because I'm tired.
Alright. So do you feel like this, not being able to gain weight is coming in the way now?
Yeah, it
Okay.
is coming in my way now.
Okay.
It was not, but now it is.
Okay.
Alright. Another reason can be because of the societal pressure that you get.
How have you felt that?
It makes you feel low on the confidence because I believe that most of the things it comes from the family.
Okay.
Alright. I believe that they mean well, but it's the way they say it.
Uh-huh.
It affects you in certain way.
So it's kind of affecting your confidence.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Alright. So Akriti, I know that your goal is to put on 6 kilos in the next 6 months, right?
Yeah.
So tell me, what exact efforts have you put in to gain that?
I'm trying to eat as much as I can.
Okay.
I'm trying to increase my appetite.
Uh-huh.
But somehow still I'm not being able to achieve the goal.
Okay.
Can you please help me with it?
Yeah, so let's break it down together. Alright?
Okay.
First of all, tell me, have you done on your blood test?
Yeah.
So you've checked out and you have no health issues?
No.
Great. So we rule that out.
Yeah.
Now tell me, the most important part. Are you in a calorie surplus?
I heard about it,
Okay.
but I actually am not able to understand the whole concept of it, so I don't know.
Okay, fine. Let's break that down together as well. Tell me, how many calories do you consume in a day?
1,000 to 1,200.
Can you break that down? 1,000, like how 1,000? Tell me how many chapatis do you eat, or do you eat rice?
So I have 2 portions of rice.
Okay, 2
because I
portions.
because I skip breakfast, so
Okay.
generally I have lunch and dinner.
Alright, so let's say those 2 portions are about 200 calories. Okay? What
And
next?
then I have 2 chapatis.
2 chapatis, that's 4 chapatis in a day.
Yeah.
Alright, so 2 chapatis plus 2 portions of rice. 4 chapatis plus 2 portions of rice. That's about
Yeah.
600 calories.
Yeah.
And
And then if we are having dal,
dal, okay.
then it's that.
Alright, and that was 1 kilo of dal?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's about 50 to 100 calories again. So
Yeah.
we've touched 700.
Okay.
Now let's move on to.
And then if it's veggies, then vegetables, or if it's meat. I like egg. I eat egg.
Okay, how many eggs in a day?
3.
3 to 4 eggs
Yeah.
in a day. Okay. So let's say another 100 to 200 calories. So what I'm seeing is you're touching about 1,000 calories in a day. Maybe 1,200, but because you probably missed out on some things that you've not mentioned to me. Okay. Now tell me, how many calories are you burning in a day?
I don't know.
You've not calculated that?
Yeah, I've not calculated.
Alright, no worries. So what you need to do is, first find out how many calories you burn in a day. Alright? Then find out how many calories you eat in a day. The difference is going to be the calorie surplus. Now if you're not in the calorie surplus, what's going to happen? You're not going to gain weight. So this mistake, most people who are trying to gain weight make this mistake because first of all, they have very small appetites. Do you have a small appetite?
Yeah.
Exactly. So what happens is when they try to gain weight, they'll probably have one heavy meal. And because they eat a lot in that meal, they feel like, I'm eating a lot. I'm actually working towards gaining weight. But the net difference in calories is not a lot. So even after 2 months, 3 months, they still haven't gained any weight. Why? because they're burning more than what they're eating. As simple.
Okay, so as you've mentioned previously that 6 kilos in 6 months.
Yeah.
Alright. So I love ice cream. What if I start eating a tub of ice cream every day?
I mean, you can if you want to, and you will end up gaining the weight. Like, say your weight is 40 right now, and you keep eating ice cream every single day, and like you said, 1 tub of ice cream, you will end up gaining as much weight that you want to. But it won't be the right kind of weight. Why? Because ice cream or empty calories is not going to make you look like what you want to look like. Getting it? I'm sure when you mean you want to gain weight, you want to look fit, you want to look athletic, you want to look thin as well. Right? But what will happen with just ice cream is you only put on fat. So you put on more fat on your stomach, you put on more fat on your face, and everywhere where you don't want fat. So eating junk food is not the right way to gain weight. Obviously, you can do it sometimes, like once in a while. Once a week eating ice cream, no problem. Go ahead and do it. But I would not recommend doing it every single day. So Akriti, it was really nice talking to you. And we've set a target for you. 6 kilos in the next 6 months. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Sure, na? Then I'm going to call you back here and we're going to track your journey.